Buildings are facing new challenges: energy code compliance, energy accountability, net zero sustainability goals, power reliability, and electrical system expertise. Introducing EcoStruxure Energy Hub, our new cloud-based app designed to simplify electrical and energy management. Energy Hub enables you to raise energy awareness and comply with building energy codes by tracking energy usage by load type and identify opportunities to reduce energy waste. It helps to unlock sustained building energy performance by creating energy accountability with tenant billing and energy analytics for informed energy conservation, while maximizing electrical resilience with real-time power system monitoring and mobile or email notifications. Connect to Energy Hub through an EcoStruxure panel server or site server gateway to automatically collect, store, visualize, and report on your energy data. It's smart and secure. Whether you manage a single building, a campus, or a portfolio of buildings, EcoStruxure Energy Hub makes it easy to get started, easy to use, and easy to achieve results. Change the way you manage your energy together for a sustainable future.